I've got a brand new smart lithium iron phosphate battery that is asleep from the factory. Today, I'm going to show you how to wake up one of these batteries. Welcome to DiyVolts. I'm Seth. Lead Time sent over this smart lithium iron phosphate battery, and straight from the factory it is asleep, which is good because that saves the voltage here and it doesn't drop down too low when it's being put in storage. However, I need to use this battery, and so I've got to wake it up. If I take a multimeter and put it across the terminals, you'll see that the voltage is low, whereas it should be between 12.8 and about 13.5 volts. If I show you on a non-smart battery, you'll see that the voltage comes out of the box as a much higher voltage. So in the user manual for this battery, it says connect it to a charge controller. That could be a solar charge controller or one like I've got right here, which we're going to use here in a moment. I actually hooked this up to my solar charge controller, and it does not have the function to bring to life a smart battery that's asleep. So let's go ahead and open up this box. To wake up this battery, I'm going to use the Lead Time battery charger. It's a 14.6 volt battery charger, so it's going to be perfect for waking up this battery. This kit has the battery charger. Over here is where the AC power cord is going to be plugged up. On this side, it has a cooling fan and a single LED. That stands for fully charged, standby, charging, or fault. It also has a giant Anderson plug, which is going to snap together, and that's going to have the positive and negative terminal connections right here. The light is blinking, which means the charger is on standby mode. Now this battery only needs 3 to 10 seconds of charging in order to function. So I'm just going to simply take these terminals and touch it here, and that should be all it needs. Let this click on here. There we go. Now I'm going to count to 10, and this battery should be awake. Touching my terminals, we should get a much higher voltage. 13.16 volts, which means this battery is now awake. And there we go. This battery is awake and ready for use. So it's very common for these smart batteries to be asleep whenever they come from the factory. And you've got to use either a battery charger like this one or a solar charge controller that can wake up a sleeping battery. If you want to check out this battery or this charger, I will have links to it in the description down below. Thanks for watching. I'm Seth with DiyVolts, and I'll see you in the next one.